Dolphins are highly intelligent marine animals that belong to the family of toothed whales. They are found in oceans and seas all around the world, especially in warm tropical waters, coastal areas, and sometimes even in deep offshore regions. Some species of dolphins also live in rivers, such as the Amazon River dolphin. Habitat and where dolphins are found. Dolphins are widely distributed across the globe. They are commonly seen in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Mediterranean Sea. They prefer warm and temperate waters. But some species can also survive in colder regions like the Arctic and Antarctic Oceans. Coastal dolphins often stay near shorelines where food is easily available, while oceanic dolphins travel long distances in open seas. Diet and feeding habits. Dolphins are carnivorous animals, meaning they eat meat. Their main diet includes fish, squid, shrimp, and small marine creatures. Some larger dolphin species may also eat bigger fish depending on availability. Dolphins are skilled hunters and often hunt in groups called pods. They use a special ability called echolocation, which helps them detect prey by sending sound waves underwater and interpreting the echoes that return. This makes them highly efficient hunters even in dark or deep waters. Behavior and intelligence. Dolphins are known for their extremely high intelligence. They can recognize themselves in mirrors, communicate using complex sounds, and even solve problems. They live in social groups called pods, which can consist of a few individuals or even hundreds of dolphins. These pods work together for hunting, protecting each other, and raising young calves. Dolphins also show playful behavior such as jumping, spinning, and riding ocean waves. How dolphins communicate. Dolphins use a combination of clicks, whistles, and body movements to communicate. Each dolphin has a unique, signature whistle that acts like a name. This allows them to call each other individually. Communication is very important for survival, especially during hunting and avoiding predators. Do dolphins attack humans? Dolphins are generally not dangerous to humans. In fact, they are often friendly and curious toward people. However, like any wild animal, they can become defensive if they feel threatened or stressed. In rare cases, large dolphins or aggressive situations may lead to accidental injuries. But this is not common. Most dolphin-human interactions are peaceful and even helpful, especially in dolphin-assisted therapy programs. How long dolphins stay in water and out of water? Dolphins are fully aquatic animals, which means they live in water but breathe air like humans. They cannot stay underwater permanently. On average, dolphins can hold their breath for 8 to 15 minutes, depending on the species and activity level. While resting or sleeping, they come to the surface regularly to breathe. Dolphins cannot survive out of water for long periods. Their bodies are adapted for aquatic life, and being on land for too long can cause stress, overheating, or injury. If a dolphin is stranded on land, it becomes a serious emergency situation. Breathing and sleeping behavior. Dolphins breathe through a blowhole located on top of their head. They consciously control their breathing, meaning they must stay semi-awake even while sleeping. This is called unihemispheric sleep, where one half of the brain sleeps while the other half remains active. This allows dolphins to continue swimming slowly, breathe regularly, and stay alert for danger. Life cycle and reproduction. Female dolphins give birth to one calf after a gestation period of about 10 to 12 months. The calf stays close to its mother for protection and feeding. Mothers are very protective and nurse their young with milk. Calves learn survival skills, hunting techniques, and social behavior from their pod. Importance in the ecosystem. Dolphins play an important role in maintaining marine ecosystem balance. By feeding on fish and squid, they help control populations and keep the food chain stable. Their presence is also an indicator of a healthy ocean environment. Conservation and threats. Despite being intelligent and adaptable, dolphins face many threats. These include water pollution, plastic waste, fishing nets, bycatch, climate change, and habitat destruction. Some dolphin populations are declining due to human activities. Conservation efforts are important to protect them and ensure their survival for future generations. Conclusion. Dolphins are one of the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Their intelligence, social nature, communication skills, and playful behavior make them unique among marine animals. They are not only important for marine ecosystems but also admired by humans worldwide. Protecting dolphins means protecting the health of our oceans.